Hey, hey.
Hey,
Oh,
How's your day going?
great.
Ron drunk too much scanner.
Yeah.
No, you got a pain. When the system crashes, you're gonna have to make copies and then go back and scan later.
The system prices we making.
Huh?
Those would be copies. What's your flavor of chips today?
Jalapeno.
You got lots of milk balls today?
Yep. And cookies, and this is unbelievable. I did an inventory right before I went home, left. It's still, it was here.
Who packed your lunch?
I did, because, you know, the day before yesterday, I left my chips out. And then yesterday, my cookies, I misplaced them somewhere. If they're here today, it's a good day. All my sandwich doesn't feel really full. There's somebody ate my chicken. You got fucking mayonnaise sandwich. Give a shit. My wife, I bet she was bitching I was putting too much chicken salad on there. We'll have a discussion. I ain't gonna break on you. I picked it up, I should have seen light.
Oh my god. That's hilarious.
Here's some extra chicken salad.
You don't mind? You don't mind? Thank you. You know what I need to do? I need to get one of those cooler things that you put in your thing and just keep this out there.
Well, that's what I suggested
I know,
to
I
you.
know.
Oh my god, that was hilarious.
That was really good. Did you make this? Because that looks just almost like the stuff in here.
Jimmy made it while he was off yesterday. And small, you're getting pickled pig's lips.